The case for today is between the children of Adebola family versus their parents. A case of unwanted vacation at unwanted place with unwanted people. This people they got you.
Not yet.
Wait, what do you mean not yet? Look, I'm already seated, and the people I'm even calling this case for are not even here. Wait, what about you, Barrister Lasisi?
My lord, my able lord, sorry for such indecency upon your great throne. The problem is the same boss that pack all of them, literally.
Wait, what do you mean literally?
They are coming all the way from Kwara State.
Kwara!
Yes, my lord.
Kwara State?
Yes, my lord.
How are we having a court sitting when the families are not even in Lagos?
They're supposed to be, but their car spot on the road.
They are almost here. I'm sure they are almost here. Yes, my lord.
They will soon be here.
So just gonna stay and do nothing.
Fingers crossed. They will soon be here.
Can I call the next case, my lord?
Exactly. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna call the next case.
The next case is
The family is here. The family is here, my lord. The family is here. Come here.
Let this be a warning to anyone. I don't care where you're coming from. If you know that you're not going to be in time, then don't make us fix the date.
We are
Am I
very sorry, my lord. It won't happen again. Sorry, my lord.
Better.
All right.
Call your case again, clerk.
the case for today is between the children of Ademola family versus their parents. A case of unwanted vacation of unwanted place with unwanted people. Una dey court.
Yes.
Now we talk well. Now we talk now with my lord time.
Yes.
Please present your case, counsel.
Thank you, my lord. My lord, once again, our sincere apologies for the lateness of my clients. As you can see, they are all exhausted and tired.
Of course, if we're coming from Kwara, won't you be exhausted?
Yes, exactly. Except this is a false trip. My clients, they have been complaining to me that their parents have been forcing them to a trip to visit their extended family. We are not friendly with them.
Allow me.
What are you talking about?
Let
How can the parents of the children be subjecting them to torture? Is it possible? I'm sorry, my
Let her
lord.
present her case.
I'm sorry, my lord.
My lord, I would like to bring out my clients for further examination.
You may proceed.
Kwadri and Fatima, please step to the box.
Swipe.
When I do fast, commence now. You know slow. When I commence fast. When I sit there, now fast. Now I'm a Christian or Muslim.
Muslim.
Your name?
Alright, Courtroom.
Hi, Fatima. So I say, anytime I talk for this God, my truth, may God help me.
Says that everything I will say in this court is true. May Allah help me. Amen.
We talk Allah. You see we talk now the talk pass on myself.
Thank you, Kwadri and Fatima. Please, would you like to tell the court who this man, that woman, and that boy is to you?
They are parents and that is our sibling.
Oh, nice. What did you guys go to do in Kwara State?
Went to the big family house. One man like that we don't know is getting married. So our parents took us there.
So what did you guys go there to do in particular?
Nothing, no. We're just greeting everybody. Everybody is greeting us back. We have 1 or 2 things to say.
Some of them were giving insults that we didn't greet them well, while others would say that they are giving us too much food in Lagos.
And then we were forced to share the same sleeping space with cousins that we've never met before in our lives.
Nice. Now, do you guys like the idea of going to Kwara State?
No! We don't like it. We always tell Daddy to leave us here in Lagos and go to Kwara State alone. Those family members are not nice people.
One even knocked my brother for us on his head for spilling water that they put on the floor.
And how do you guys feel when you go to Kwara?
Terrible. We have never enjoyed our time with those people.
But Father is always saying we need to go so we can know our family members and bond with them. People that are always looking for how to punish us because they think we are spoiled children. We don't like them.
My lord, we have heard it from the horse's mouth. As you can see, this is an act of violation against these kids' mental health. And if care is not taken, they might fall into depression. Yes, they might even think of running away from home. Thank you. I rest my case, my lord.
Thank you, counsel. Defense counsel, do you have anything to say?
Thank you, my lord. I have everything to say. If you permit me, if I may. May I?
You may.
I would like to cross-examine the children. But first things first, I want you to understand that in Africa, one of the key factors of what makes us Africa is that every once in a while, every now and then, our parents like to bring us close to one another to entrust family understanding, family orientation, understanding your extended family, extended brothers, extended sisters. These are the things our parents have done over the years. As you may know, my lord, if I may disclose this big secret. People are getting married to their cousins. Am I lying? No. People are getting married to their cousins. You meet a man or a woman, you fall in love with them, you are already building a relationship. You go home in December and say, Mommy, Daddy, I have a wife, I have a husband. You never realize it's your sister beating me, or it's your brother Kayode, and you didn't know. Now, my lord, peradventure, furthermore, neither nor. Let me also say this, that the essence for family gathering is to instill this into their children. It's for the greater good. It's for the community at large. Thank you, the Lord. Thank you. Thank you. It's fine. It's okay.
Wait, it looks like you want to come and take the floor yourself, right?
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
Go on.
I'm sorry, my lord. It won't happen again.
Kids class.
Can I please diffuse some questions to these children, if I may?
You may.
Did you feel as disgusted as you felt the first time you did?
No.
Sorry, I think my ear, something happened, something flew past me. I didn't hear that. Is that what?
No.
Okay. So that suggests that the more you go there, the less disgusted you feel.
Objection, my lord. Irrelevant to the case.
Overruled. Let him speak.
My Lord, God will bless you. You see, enemies, I just want to know. I'll repeat that question again. So it means the more and more you go to your family house in Kwara State, the less and less it feels strange to you.
Yes, somehow.
I like that. So it means somehow your body and your mind is getting adjustments to that reality, if I'm correct. Now let me put this to you. Are there people you've met whenever you go to Kwara State that you'd like to go back and see again?
Yes.
Okay, if I may, can you describe your relationship with them this last time you went?
Fine, some of them were happy to see us and I was happy to see Yemisi.
Sorry. I heard something. You said you were happy.
No, not so happy, but I was happy to see Mohammed because we played football again.
What is your relationship with these people?
Our cousins.
His cousin. Fantastic. Fantabulous. My Lord, can you see what our beautiful parents are doing? Now, Kwame knows his cousin. He's familiar with his cousin. She is familiar with Yemisi, so that sometime, she's not walking on the streets of Lagos and Yemisi pass her by and they start fighting, not knowing that this is my cousin. But you see where family has brought family together. My Lord, with this able courts, recognize the presence and the hard work the parents are putting into these children's life to make sure they are familiar with family and extended family. I rest my case. Thank you.
Do you have anything to say?
No, my lord. I rest my case.
You will rest in peace.
Okay. Great. Having listened to both parties, I'd like to commend you both for putting forward a solid argument.
My lord.
Truly, family members being encouraged to bond with each other helps a lot. As much as this is true, we should also respect the decisions of the kids. Actually, the ones that always kicks against going to the extended family members for the holidays. Maybe they might have seen things that the adults are too busy to see, and we should not neglect this. So, this is my judgment. The kids shall not be forced to go to Kwara for bonding. They shall only be going when necessary, like during festival periods or when their presence are necessarily needed. As for the parents, they are hereby sentenced to paying for 2 weeks vacation of the family. They can choose to rent a resort, a hotel, travel around the world, have fun, and failure to do so, you guys will spend that 2 weeks in a correctional facility. Mr. and Mrs. Ademola, go and spend time with your family alone for 2 weeks without the presence of the extended family members. Because that's what the kids want, and that's what the courts have decided. That's my judgment.
My lord.
Rise.
Bye.
Fatima, where do you think we tell mommy and daddy would love to go?
South Africa?
I said, South Africa. Well, we forgot where we'll get to.